Shemai pawb, sut ydych chi? Ydych chi'n iawn? Gwych. Here we are back again for Patrwm yr Wythnos, or Phrase of the Week. And this time I'm wondering if you can guess or recognise any of the words in this week's Patrwm yr Wythnos. You might know what Beth means. Beth is what. And T is you. So beth wyt ti'n wneud? Maybe in the top right hand corner here, this can give you a little indication and a little idea of what this question is asking. What is this little boy doing here? And Cymraeg, do you know? Well, he's chwarae pêl-droed, isn't it? He's playing football. So if you asked him beth wyt ti'n wneud, you're asking him, well, what are you doing? So beth wyt ti'n wneud? What are you doing? Beth wyt ti'n wneud? Say it to your partner. Beth wyt ti'n wneud? Maybe look outside and say it loud. Beth wyt ti'n wneud? I wonder if you can whisper it for me. So, beth wyt ti'n wneud? Da iawn chi. Excellent, excellent. Now, in order to answer this question, you might have seen this before in many other ways of answering different questions. Dwi'n. Dwi'n means I am. So dwi'n followed by the actual thing that you're doing. So for example, you could say, dwi'n darllen. I think you know what darllen means. You've covered this word before in a phrase of the week that's already been covered a few weeks ago. Dwi'n darllen. I'm reading. Dwi'n chwarae rugby, which is I'm playing rugby. Dwi'n ysgrifennu, I'm writing. Or maybe you love to do a bit of painting, which is dwi'n peintio. Or maybe you like to draw some pictures. So in that case, you can say dwi'n tynnu llun. Yes, you're describing all the things that you are doing. So there are loads and loads of different ways to answer this question. And along the bottom there are some ideas for you to answer this question with your partner or with anyone really in school or outside school as well. So here, beth wyt ti'n wneud? What are you doing? Is this week's Patrwm yr Wythnos. Send your videos in. You could be within a chance of winning some tocynnau Cymraeg as well, which will be fantastic for you. Pob lwc, and I'll see you next week. Da bo chi. Hwyl fawr.